Jai Gurudev students. Today we going to learn about the SQL table, and into this table we will perform the join operations. Into the last class we already learned about the furniture table, and we already performed different type of queries. So now let's go to learn how to perform the join operation. So for the join operation you have to use two tables. So we have two tables. So into this question we are performing these type of operations. Okay, so the question is, consider the following tables: item and customers. So we have two tables there, one is item and second is customer. Write SQL commands for the statement 1 to 5. So we will write the statement for these statement. So we will perform these command, and next and give the output for the SQL queries for 6 to 9. So there is already commands is given, we will only perform and find the output. So let's first we have to create that table, and I think many students know how to create such type of table. So first you have to create the table. So now once again we learn it how to create the table. So first we have to create the database. So write which command we have to use. We have to write create database mvm1. Okay, this is our database name. Okay, that database has been created. Now we have to open this database. So with use command we can open this mvm1. So that mvm1 database has been opened. Now we will start to create the table item. So first you have to use the command create table item, and its fields, there are fields. id means this is item id, second item name, next field manufacturer, and third field is price. So the first field is I underscore id, this first field, and its data type is here. Okay, and its size we can assign how many character we will insert, 1 2 3 4. So there is 4 characters, so we will initialize the size by 4. Okay, now second column name is item name. Okay, this is our next column name, and its size, its data type is where care, and assign the size, maximum size we can assign 25. Next column name is manufacturer, manufacturer. Okay, and its data type we will assign the where care, and size we will assign, maximum size we can assign 20. And next is price, we will put the size, the price will be integer, so its data type is integer. So there I am not assigning any size, by default it will take the size. And now table fields has been completed. Now we will close this table and enter. So our table also created, there is table is created. Okay, and if you want to see the structure, desc describe item. Okay, the table is created in simple format. So this is the structure of our table, but into this table we also need the primary key, because there is some primary and foreign key relation. So in this table, an item table, this is the parent table. Item is a parent table and customer is a child table. So into the parent table, there should be one attribute have the primary key, and there we didn't create any primary key. So we have to create a primary key into the ID table. So there I am drop this table, item. So I am dropping this table because I didn't create the primary key. So remember this, when you create table, so first also create the primary. Okay, now I am also creating item and ID. Okay, and its size is 4, and we will assign the primary key. So this is primary key, and next column name is item name varchar size 25, comma next manufacturer, and its size is varchar 20, and price should be integer. Okay, and now see the structure DESC item. Okay, so this is the structure, and ID have a primary key. So all the students, remember, when you create two table and there is some relation, so how you can join the both table? So the first table is the parent table and next table is a child table. So into the parent table you have to put the primary key. So we created the IID as a primary key. Okay, now into the next table we will create the customer. The next table our is customer. So now we will create the customer.